Greetings, road warriors! Welcome back to the Porter's RV Sales YouTube channel here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. Today, we are bringing you a coach that is quite literally one of the most popular diesel pushers ever built, but in a condition that is almost impossible to find. This is the 2015 Tiffin Phaeton 40QBH. This is a Carfax one-owner unit with an incredibly low 18,000 miles on the odometer. To find a 2015 Phaeton that has barely been broken in like this is a rare opportunity. This is a 40-foot flagship featuring 4 enormous slide-outs and Tiffin's legendary build quality. Take a look at this stunning exterior. We are looking at Tiffin's signature NASA full-body paint package. It is a sophisticated blend of silvers, blacks, and charcoals that gives the coach a sleek, timeless, and very high-end look. Because it is an automotive-grade paint finish from Tiffin's world-class facility, it has a depth and shine that truly reflects the prestige of the Phaeton line. As we walk the passenger side, notice the full power awning package. You have a power patio awning and a power door awning that create a massive shaded oasis for your campsite. You also have a complete window awning package and protective slide toppers over every single slide out to keep your mechanical seals in top shape. Throughout this tour, notice the polished aluminum wheels and the massive glasswork. From the integrated side view cameras to the sleek rear cap and the 10,000-pound weight-distributing trailer hitch, every inch of this coach indicates it was the absolute pride of ownership. We're going to wrap up the exterior walk and then dive into the basement to look at the massive mechanical systems that make this 40QBH such a smooth and reliable performer on the highway. This is a coach for the traveler who wants the very best and nothing less. Let's move down to the foundation, because the Phaeton is built for serious travel. This coach sits on the heavy-duty Freightliner chassis with full air ride suspension and full air brakes. It delivers that signature floating feeling where the coach absorbs the road, making a long day of driving much less fatiguing. Powering your journey is the reliable Cummins 8.9-liter ISL diesel engine, producing 380 horsepower and a stout 1,050 foot-pounds of torque. This is paired with the heavy-duty Allison 3000 6-speed automatic transmission. Now here is a major upgrade. This is an all-electric coach equipped with the AquaHot hydronic heating system. This provides you with unlimited hot water and quiet, radiant furnace heat throughout the cabin, without the need for propane. When we open up the storage bays, you'll see the advantage of Tiffin's engineering. Massive pass-through basement compartments with a slide-out storage tray included for easy access to your gear. For your off-grid power, we have an upgraded Onan 10-kilowatt quiet diesel generator. Most 40-footers have an 8, but this bus-sized 10-kilowatt unit only has 250 hours on its slide-out service tray. You'll also find 50-amp service on a power reel, a Magnum inverter charger, and 3 roof-mounted AC units to keep the cabin ice-cold. Setup at the campsite is a breeze thanks to the 4-point automatic hydraulic leveling jacks. To keep you safe on the highway, the integrated camera system gives you total visibility. Every system on this Phaeton, from the 10,000-pound hitch to the heavy-duty cooling system, is designed to provide a top-tier travel experience. Let's head inside and see how the luxury continues in the cabin. Step up into the Phaeton and the luxury is immediately apparent. The 40QBH floor plan is highly sought after because it manages to fit 1.5 bathrooms into a perfectly sized 40-foot coach. You'll notice the high-quality cabinetry and the sheer amount of floor space created by those 4 large slide-outs. It is a bright, airy layout with premium finishes that really emphasize that 18,000-mile care. Since this is an all-electric coach, the interior is incredibly clean and residential. It truly feels like a custom apartment on wheels from the moment you step through the door. In the heart of the kitchen area, we have a massive stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer. It offers an incredible amount of cold storage for those long cross-country trips. Right beside it is the comfortable booth dinette. It provides a clean residential dining experience with a great view out the window and can even be used for additional sleeping space if needed. In the main living room, we have a plush Euro recliner, perfectly situated to enjoy the entertainment center. This hub features a large 42-inch TV and an electric fireplace that adds a cozy ambiance and a great source of electric heat on those cool mornings. The cockpit is a high-end command center with plush captain's chairs. You also have an additional 32-inch TV mounted above the front seats, so no one misses the action while the coach is in social mode. Look at this seating. You have plush power dual feeder recliners. This is the ultimate spot for relaxation, allowing you to kick back in total comfort while you watch a movie or enjoy the fireplace. The kitchen is a chef's dream on the road. You have an induction cooktop for fast and efficient cooking, a microwave convection oven, and a residential sink and faucet. And look at this! It comes with the dishwasher option tucked right into the cabinetry. Cleanup is effortless. The solid surface countertops are stunning, and we even have an extendable countertop section for even more prep space when you're cooking a big meal. The cabinet storage throughout the galley is outstanding and features Tiffin's signature handcrafted quality. It is a very clean, functional space. Tucked just past the living area is the private half bathroom. This is a huge convenience for your guests, featuring its own toilet, sink, and vanity. Having this 1.5 bath layout ensures that your master suite remains private and quiet at the back of the coach, while guests have their own dedicated facilities during the day. It also features a power vent fan to keep the space fresh. Welcome to the Master Retreat. The 40QBH features a massive king-sized bed situated in its own slide-out, providing the absolute pinnacle of sleeping comfort on the road. This room is packed with features. You have your own 32-inch TV, a ceiling fan to keep the air moving, and an abundance of drawer storage for all your travel attire. Because this room is separated from the main living area, it serves as a quiet sanctuary for a great night's rest. The fit and finish back here really emphasize the Phaeton quality. For the long-term traveler, this coach comes equipped with a stackable washer and dryer. Having separate machines instead of a combo unit is a huge luxury, allowing you to wash and dry simultaneously while you enjoy your vacation. Moving into the master bathroom at the very back, you have a high-end sink and vanity with plenty of counter space. This area is designed to make getting ready in the morning feel just like home. Prepare to be impressed by this full-width master bathroom. The centerpiece is a huge shower enclosure with glass doors and a skylight that adds a lot of height and natural light. You have a toilet, another power vent fan, and a massive wardrobe closet for all your hanging clothes. Every finish in here reflects the Tiffin commitment to quality and comfort. Having this level of space and privacy at the rear of the coach is what makes the 40QBH one of the best-selling floor plans in the world. It is a bright, clean, and incredibly functional space. As we walk back through the coach, you can really appreciate the flow and the residential feel of this layout. From the master suite through the kitchen and into the living room, every transition is wide and inviting. You can see the detail in the woodwork and the quality of the heated tile flooring. Tiffin has optimized every inch of this 40-foot coach to ensure you never feel cramped. It's a design that has been perfected over years of feedback from the Tiffin family of owners. Back in the cockpit, you have a commanding view of the road through that massive one-piece windshield. The dashboard is intuitively laid out, with your Allison shifter and leveling controls right at your fingertips. These captain's chairs are designed for all-day comfort, ensuring that the journey to your destination is just as enjoyable as the stay itself. As we finish up our tour, it is easy to see why the 2015 Tiffin Phaeton 40QBH is such a standout choice. To recap, you are looking at an all-electric diesel pusher with only 18,000 miles. You're getting the power of the Cummins ISL engine on a heavy-duty Freightliner chassis with the AquaHot system and a 10-kilowatt generator. If you want to see this coach in person or have any specific questions, please give us a call at 864-260-9276 or send an email to sales@portersrvsales.com. Be sure to visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to see more photos and the full specification sheet. Thank you for joining us at Porter's RV Sales, and as always, happy camping.